some people, Dan and him people them depend our life and them a talk about the Pretti Dog and Real Dog situation. You know what I mean? Them touch that briefly. Oh, Pretti Dog apologize to Real Dog after she diss him up. Then she also talk about the Ivan case, because you know say that are the hot topic right now. You see me? And she make a prediction between RT Boss and Ivan. You understand? And this girl we used to depend on her life enough, you know what I mean? She always have a point when it come to Ivan. You see me? You would say she not really like Ivan behavior, and she always attack the truth. You see me? But a lot of people, you see, when a person, even if them troublesome or mischievous or get a lot of trouble, when them in a situation where, you know what I mean, like with Ivan, you know, people tend to kind of sympathize with them and really beat them that bad. You see me? So she and Dan must kick off, you know what I mean, and the next person where normally they pan down live, they must kick off. You see me? And a next brother way normally they pan down live too. You see me? It look like see a big cascas go on with him and couple of the people them also. You see me I say? And them even talk about the thing with Mr. Vegas where him bring a thing upon him platform and him talk about the Ivan thing and Foot and Pretti Dog thing. See? So make we hear where them have to say.
Mr. Pretti Dog, I apologize in our dear. Yeah.
Yes, I true man, Mr. Pretti. I'm like Pretti Dog.
So I saw who no want to come on social media, come disrespect me. Disrespect my family them, and then you no expect you to come to me and me contact back to you.
And I apologize.
And not everybody are gonna do that. That's why the people them were cuss on social media for keep it on social media. Tell me about myself and me tell you about you. No go me yard and me and you are cuss. Just tell me about me and make it done. But you them want if it draw for one out, they want cuss y'all a week, a month to blood clot like they can't cuss more than nobody else.
6 months they want they are cuss.
So they don't want to tell you say your pussy big and you are fuck batty and you are dirty girl and this and that and it done this and it done. They don't want to do it so kind of just done. They have to go to your family, your pick me, your mama, your granny, and then you want to contact back to me.
And you can't hurt you now, you know.
Yeah, and you contact back to me. And you go tell me say you go too far. You never blood clot, no, you go too far when time me not tell you nothing about your family them.
I see say one boy, you know, me have a friend in that. Like me and your friend, and you take up your sister them from Jamaica and then come across the border. And then come up and me always teach boy then I show them things and me I say you can't take up the world from your head, just keep a low profile, you know have your documents and man not yet you can't go on like you live a foreign. Man say him live a foreign. Him no want nothing and I tell me if you go so call my mama. Me say alright. Me say I better you tell me if you go suck me girl, more you tell me if you go suck me mama, me done with you.
That is comment, they read it.
Stay where?
Look to the interview.
Me think say you fit stay up on TikTok. Me your cuss and tell me things them where you see me I do on TikTok, so me can tell you what me see I do on. Remember I know you don't know me. You don't know nobody for me. Me don't know you. Me don't know nobody for you. So why you not cuss me what me I do on TikTok and say this a mix up woman here? Your big pussy whatever blah blah. You understand?
I wish somebody say about
cuss me and tell me that, and me cuss and tell you about the same thing.
Because Vegas and one liar when they talk. Me see it.
Me see it to that. Me da listen. Me see up so me da go play back for people that can hear it.
Alright, we will not see it. So.
You understand? So at that me I say people them fi do. Two people argue. Me and you just make it stay me and you and done it. Cause when it stay me and you, we can talk back at any time.
Yeah.
The people ever take all pitney out of belly to blood clot. Me not like them they cussing there.
Me not like them
Me
they
not like them
something.
they cussing there.
Them they something. No.
And you know what me eat? Let me tell you part of me eat. Them are gonna tell me about my daughter.
Yeah.
And true, she a big woman, and me tell you about feel. Lick up them and say, oh, a baby that some so weird. And a film pitney.
Eh.
You tell me about for me pitney.
Yeah, all right. Then no feel pitney.
And that no one was over pitney.
Hey, you want when my big woman, always my big woman, don't tell me about me pitney.
Over pitney.
All right.
Pitney for pitney, and that in here, me not pitney for pitney.
All right.
So you have to know that, a pitney for pitney. So it no matter if you pitney a 103 to blood clot and for your pitney a 1. For you tell somebody about them pitney, them to tell you about for your one. As simple as that.
Right.
Now some people go like they have more feelings than other people.
Yes.
You understand?
And that's
So
the game.
everything you tell somebody, them to tell you about.
A true man.
And make you feel how you feel. As simple as that. But this TikTok bang around where you see them people are with them to keep it on TikTok. Enough things, everyone will do things on TikTok where people can cuss you and tell you about on TikTok.
Yeah.
We never have to go with one another yard.
Leave out to yard. Leave out to
Just
yard.
make up story and cuss the people them, cause I saw cussing go. You make things from people. When you never see them, you say you see them. I say, me, you remember me, you did go, you saw. As you make story upon them to blood clot, cause you and them a cuss. But them are people and they know no boundary. They know no limit.
Can me Chantel to the power somebody live?
Chantel no come over here from me and you and our incident. She no come
Come
up.
over here, but you must fly with that fake here. Me black car in here. Too far, me she block me with the black car.
Oh, okay.
I mean, me and her still not enemy, but you don't understand she's so mad at me.
As me myself say same thing, so me never know say you and her like it go at it like that. I think it was just a
So actually,
TikTok disagreement. Disagreement.
When it comes to Barney, when she keep bashing her Barney, me sorry.
Look on big banks. Look how me make them do big banks up there and look the big banks in my comments anyway. And look how me say,
people, you know say, as me say Ivani, she have her people them too. And you have some people where them are gonna speak the truth and them are gonna speak their mind when it come to she. And you have some people where them are gonna defend her to the max. You understand? So the girl what them talk about just now, she always attack with Ivan do on them something them. You know what I mean? Me hear she say already say it's not that me not like her, but me just talk the facts. You know what I mean? And you can't tell people who feel like her what you say about a person. You know what I mean? So maybe at that cause the disagreement. It's not maybe because the woman just said it a while ago. You understand? But enough people when them see people in a certain predicament or situation where them know say oh that situation is not an easy situation and them themselves wouldn't like to be in that situation then. You know what I mean? Them sympathize with the person and if you attack anything we sound bad about that person, you know what I mean, them will go on kinda defend that person then. You understand me? So maybe that are the reason why we don't see her or she stop go up and down live or whatever. You understand me? So we could listen some more and hear what them a say.
Oh man, I told me here, me listen to outside, you know. Me outside and I listen to how them a style up big banks for the man.
I said everybody pan him sat them man. I say see me and I'm alone now come out of box and everybody have to come out and make people come take a piece of him.
I'm talking there a long time before the
Me say we'll start lick take big banks, I think big banks are going empty a clip in the air. Lick take big banks till big banks say go wash your drawers them.
Father God. Me them a listen it man, me them a hear you. But when them a take him on, but me say yeah me no. Show Dan take me in here man. But me they want to take on piece of big bags too, you know. For
You want
chat
big banks,
fuckery.
sir?
Yes. Why my chat fuckery? Me can't bother.
Me don't say you want a piece of him to win, son.
Yeah man, me don't want piece of him too man. For me I gotta tell him say fucking really a chat.
Okay.
Yeah, that's he have this army thing in him seeing where like you believe say you know this army thing in him.
Here Winston, here why Big Bank's problem now. To why Jamaica girl and take 2 green tea off of him.
Oh.
They never see smoke without fire.
Oh.
And then take away pitney from him as well too, so that's a problem. So I see it now, so I trigger him off.
Jesus Christ, he hot, he head hot. He don't know what to do. He couldn't take it no more. He must just explore. He must just explore his mind. You understand?
Yeah.
He must just explore his mind.
In Costa till him have to bust you out.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, man, he had him.
He had, yeah.
He had him.
So sometimes you see some people do something, it's a based off of something.
Yes.
You would have think that you...
But me I say how...
What is your opinion though? How do you know that's why he's the way he is?
Because him talk it. If you listen to the last part and if you them talk it.
Who ex-wife? That's not what I'm saying, but do you think that's why he make those opinions against Barney?
But him and Barney not have nothing more than he look black with Barney black him and he have 100 pages.
Yeah.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
We never hear, all right, remember say every night he will have it over here.
Yeah.
And we never hear him behave so. He just start take on everything.
Me hear him take on the people them, tell you all the people them I say, oh, the whole long time, big man.
Remember say, having left me and I never ain't gonna blink and him and them not be a problem over there.
Eh?
Why him over blink too?
Then block him over blink, then write him off over blink and he make video cuss out the grass.
Hey, listen. At night time, you know, say no sleep at night time though.
Him no sleep, and I tell me no sleep already before I go to bed after me take a 1 brown. Big Bang say na woman them box.
Yes.
See a woman boxing going on, my uncle man in a boxing up.
And I take on it and take over them chatting and them something and him take it over now, you know.
Yeah.
And the whole of them, Avani, them attack, you know, and him going and hit and take me say, Jesus Christ, big bang, say the yes again.
Everyone go and cripple him.
And you see me have to take me say, bang, so I warm to your bang, you just left from, but let's say you're over here, man. Yeah, but big up Winston, big up yeah, fuck it. Alright. You might have mass shipping.
When we hear big banks and say, oh, you're in the jail. Oh, and you can't bail out yourself. Oh, they have to pick up. Hear me where they blood clot this. That's where this come from.
Barney could have bail herself out. You know that.
You can bail herself out, of course.
Yes, Barney have her money.
If as we know she talk, if it's real as how she talk, she can bail herself.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of money.
Huh?
You know what you make a daytime, please? A week time when TikTok give them the money.
She said she make $11,000 sitting the night when her baby shower night alone.
But look here, but everywhere the TikTok paying, you know how much money she get, please? Yeah.
All right. RT boss must pick up how him wanted out that guy over there. Me I watch him pick up money.
Then gone 15 then gone. 15 we have gone to 16.
Yeah.
So they carry up what 25 they say they want?
Yeah.
So then they are about 16. No, 20, then they are 20 they say.
20?
Yes, so they want 5 more.
You there?
RT a work, the man a work, RT a work, I think that chicken in my jerk. RT a work, what blood clot.
Me RT telling people themselves $5.
You send it?
$2.
Me here, Amari, I say, RT boss, them a scammer and one bag of something. You see me, I say, see her do one video and I say all of that. You see it, but people, I don't know if it's about that situation here, man, because I would want more information same way still. You know what I mean? I know it's a couple of people maybe want more information, but I saw the thing go more while, you know what I mean? We have to just wait and hear what go on. You understand me? Yeah, that we have to do. This is just the waiting game. You see it. But hopefully she jump out and come back a road, because no mother deserve to be separated from them youth, especially at such a young age. You know what I mean? Not even a year old. No man. That not right. You see me I say? I not like that. But then again my people, a lot of people I say, yo, that we no deserve to see the youth and you know what I mean, all these type of things, and you know what I mean, if she did have some good people in her corner, regardless how she or him went through and I got through same way, them should have talked some sense in her, like say, yo, find middle ground. You know what I mean? Talk to him. Try if he, you know what I mean, ash this out and see if one can work together. But one want the picnic for himself, the other want the picnic for themselves. You understand? So at the end of the day, somebody is gonna lose because them want the picnic for themselves. So one of them have to go lose. And them now look upon it say, yo, the baby I go lose also. So why not we don't come together and try to work this out for the youth sake? Because yes, we know say Ivan bring the youth few much months, you know what I mean, birth the youth and things, so she is more attached to the youth. But put yourself in the father position. Me know say him not do nothing for her when the baby in her belly and them something. And enough man, them and a woman there, and them a say, yo, me no know if I might pick me, you know. So here what? When the pick me born, I want a DNA test, and them gone about them business till the pick me born. You understand me I say? And me feel like say, yo, him being a first time father, him want a bond with him youth, and you know what I mean, him want in the youth life. So him want fight for in the youth life, but at the wrong way him go at it because him want full custody also, and that will cause a big problem between him and the mother. You see me? So I could watch some more of this and hear what them I say.
Yeah, man.
Hear this.
Did they have say at $20,050?
Well, listen this now, and I remember say when you get it from me. RTI first somebody I van there go come cuss. Remember say when you get it from me.
Eh?
Artie don't cause Vani. Because Artie cuss out woman.
When you feel say RT I go push her and then she go and tell the people what you say?
I'm nice and sweet girl, you know.
Hey, Vani, come on to TikTok, I got nice work, you know.
Yeah, listen.
You man somebody must get up. You man somebody have to kick off.
When that day they come, I go say, Dan did say.
Alright.
You get it from me.
You know, when they have a problem, Don, listen. Listen what you say. Me think about it. What you just said, I've thought about it the other day. You know why it's going to be an issue when Vani come out? Me I tell you, this is my opinion.
Yeah.
There's too much baga going on. Vani going to have to choose. Like, listen this, hear this. Taya, listen, blink cease and deceive. Taya is Vani a friend. Vani is going to be in the middle. She's and them what?
Alright, let me tell you something. You see, Taya and Vani now go in a no farmer problem with nobody. All I think them I look for. They now go in a no problem because the news wasn't right from first.
Let me tell you what I say. Listen, me thank Unina, me really thank you, but blood.
Taya and she now have no problem.
So you drop out a bit.
Alright, she and Taya now have no problem because Taya do what she do. And just gossip. The people them will love it gossip as for the rumor.
Yes.
You understand? So she and her now have nothing. Me not see where she and her are go have, cause she play her part where she play.
Vanny and Ty and go have anything. I know some of me, you know, get what me I say.
No man, not that. Me just a touch that part there alone. Me a touch. Me just a say she and all right. Me a ask you now a question. Remember saying no, if a voice note never come out, you know. All like people them where you see change them mouth. Who do change them mouth, you know? The people them where can't change them mouth are people them where they on screen record, you know. Cause they jump the gun too fast, you know.
One of that.
You see when Vanny voice note come out, all the people them where they say tired, wicked and tired this that time, a girl pay money for you, you know.
Oh yeah, Vanny says she pay the money for you, yes. Vanny says on the record.
But listen where some people don't understand. May I say something to you? Let me say something to you. Today, me there in the hospital and me I think. You ever have your friend or anything nobody say about your friend, he hurt you?
True, man.
You see the look where Taya look and see how the people them are do Vanny on the internet. Taya no want to put out the information to make them get it if it go spread it and then attack the most things already. So that's why she not try to keep certain things under wraps.
You don't blame her.
No, you can't blame her. So after you really hear the story and hear how the story go, you know, so for me, if you say, oh, una do my friend, and me if you can go no information.
True.
But the only part where me say me wrong her for, me say she should have called me after here then and make it to her and say, listen, we now put out, just like how them do it now, we now put out this and we now put out that.
Yeah.
But we can put out this and put out, but this now go put out and this now go put out. And that, I just say it should happen, so no bang around, no go on. You understand? But the people, they start run with it too quick or too sitting there run out and say, where 4,000 blood clot 900? So then run out, the people they run out too. Cause remember, you know, everybody have them crew, so anything they lead, I say, them a go with, you know.
Yeah.
If Vanny come out tomorrow morning, you know, I say, she no get $1, you know, whole like sensation, they say she no get $1, you know.
And I pay a war, you know. I pay a war,
you know. I say TikTok is a team thing, everybody have them team. And anything any team say, and that then say too. It them a work with.
I just can't wait for it to come out, and I hope she come out soon.
Me feel like in soup. Me 21st, me say I come out. So the fuck down. Now me have the prediction, you know.
21st.
I have to have me work with him. 21st, at 21st, he come out. 21, 211.
The 21st hour. April.
Me don't know which month.
Bomba.
But I 21st.
If I 21st of this month.
Me don't know the exact month, if I that month or next month, but I 21st. Something pertaining to 21st.
The baby in there, they sending the baby within there.
You're crazy. You ever hear nobody sending a baby a jail to nobody? You're crazy. They messing them up now.
Like them gonna keep him suck on them something like that.
No, you have to find him wait till he get used to something else.
He's have an immigration detainer. Maybe you don't know what ICE is. You think a regular no money, she don't have to come out, you know. Oh Jesus, they don't understand.
Explain it to him now. Not everybody understand them something. That you're a prisoner, you can explain it.
Are they American? I'm a citizen, so they probably wouldn't do that to me. But people, well, Vanny, she doesn't have any document. If she have a green card, they wouldn't hold on to her.
No, she don't have a green card, they wouldn't hold on to her.
They wouldn't hold on to her. But because of her illegal background, she doesn't have any document, that's why. And plus the state that she's living in. Because like somewhere in the northeast, they would
you hear what liar said? You hear what liar said today? What? When you do somebody something in America, when you like you the threatening, I state you threatening.
Oh?
What the law them when they have in another what kind of law them? So all if it's somebody, like you know when they are Jamaica, you lock up somebody to your mother and after you say the police are saying, you press charge and you just say, me no press a charge, you know, and you're done with it. You can't do it yourself.
No.
Man's in the ear. Because they must say, I know it's somebody.
So that are the man where they dep on Vegas live. You see me? You might tell Vegas how the thing work in America, especially in Atlanta. You understand? So you must say, well, Ivan, do you know how him can't go just go and say, boy, him not bother with it. You see me? It out of him and you see me I say? It out of him and completely. So right away, even if him did want to withdraw it and say them are gonna work out things, no. Because them make it them the way them said like it's not him, it's not really him or we. Them are really different. Them are different, like you would have said a country or whatever. You see me? So right there, so even if him did want to withdraw it, him can't. You see me? I just that the mess up part. I know like in a Jamaica where man and woman catch up and you know what I mean, woman good as go get them lock up or whatever and then them feel a way about it and tomorrow them a say yo them now go through with it and them have to free them up. And so it go in America. At least in Atlanta and so it go. You see me? So that's one of the things where I mess up Ivani. And then them a say right now say Ice I go come pick her up. So hi people. And I know she not get released because them drop 2 more things but boy people. I don't know if it's still but this youth here always it might go hard. You see me I say me never know say him did I go so hard. But you have to look upon it say, you know what I mean, this youth determined to see him youth. You know what I mean, determined for him youth life. And Ivan you know really understand say America not like Jamaica where you can, you know what I mean, do what you feel like for do. Them have laws where you have to abide by. And me hear somebody say like people were born in America, like it no matter what. The authorities them are go really, you know what I mean, go like feed them way, them are go really lean pan feed them side pan a level. I don't know what truth it is, but me hear somebody say something like that. It no fear still, but you know, I just saw the thing go. So as me say, hopefully she get free up. You know what I mean? And the Ice them not really come take her up on them way there. And she get to go back her yard with her youth. Cause I know say the youth must miss her right now and maybe I cry down the whole place.
You do. I state.
Yeah, that's how it is.
You commit a crime, punish. So that sound like it makes sense to you?
No, sir. Yeah. For you suppose can't go back, they go beg for your person.
No, them not do that. England do it say you commit a crime upon the crowd.
Oh.
So me I say, what kind of lot? But Jamaica now you can say, all right, you know, press the charge. And it done. And if somebody go home and then gone and let them out.
No, not like this. That's Jamaica. What is it? What Jamaica is it in a third world country?
Move your pussy clot. America more third world country than Jamaica, about Jamaica.
Yeah, third world
country. And yes, a third world country.
Good on Jamaica and me tell her.
And yes, a third world country with the whole of mad people them on off on the blood clot road.
Yeah.
And crackhead.
And crackhead like a fuckery. Right now, the Jamaica have mad house, Bellevue put up mad people.
Bellevue page. When them done with the people, them you have to blood clot, the whole of we turn mad.
Yeah.
I build money they are jail and the cap, but a be a mix up thing of go on and the cap. Mad like a shad. We don't know if it turn too much bills like you go just up. Alright. You remember me telling you say me go buy his 2 piece round this of 17, it's 2 piece and it's soda and it's $17.
Eh.
You see, look while me go in a restaurant.
Eh.
No 2 piece, you know. Me take chicken and rice and it's soda. You man say 90. Me say $19 and it's 2 piece and it's soda for $17. She say real.
Jesus Christ, God. And the chicken cheap and everything.
No true life, you know, come cook. To walk on life.
And the chicken cheap.
And the chicken cheap, I can just fry chicken.
Yeah.
When you have your man Lennox, what's going to happen? You have to go home and cooking dinner. Well, you're the
Messi Lennox dash more like a soda. All the people that say reals. So if fried chicken have $19 and it'll one soda. See soda, I'm not even want to pull it out now to blood clot. So where you got them so much is 2 pieces the next time I go on there?
How much is soda? How much is soda?
Me don't know how much is soda.
I told you to that.
Then sell it down here for $2.
You know what cheese soda, but when we buy this stew peas, and you see big plate of stew peas, a 4 and 5 wing, them put in a box, 5 wing. I me eat 2 and left 3, see there, 5 wing, no vegetable, no nothing like blood clot. And she said $19 and give me back $1 out of $20.
Father Jesus.
Are you gonna cook tomorrow?
Tomorrow Saturday, my mother there, and mother now go work till Tuesday, my mother go boil soup.
Father Jesus.
I work couldn't either. She must have sitting up there and me just feel for it. Alright, me want fried chicken and I said, one lady beg me a ride from work and to a fear away restaurant. I say, alright, let me drop her. Me come that way, cause let me tell you, say, let me drive on the road where she says she a go. She don't know Jamaica people how we stay, you know. We don't like people to step on we, you know.
Yeah.
You beg me ride one day, I notice say 3 days now, you're on so work, you're going my way. Listen me. We no work, so you know, we have to directly know you. See, if we know you and where you come from, set place, that's different. But we don't know.
It's a different story.
Adams, and you beg
where she come
ride.
from? Which Adams?
Africa. You want one day that ride. You think me going to left out of my way every day if you go in a traffic, if you go your way?
No.
What's a blood clot, mad?
Yeah.
Me dedicate myself to left and work and drive so and come straight to my blood clot yard. Me no dedicate myself to go so in a traffic and to go drop off people and then in a traffic to come back to my yard.
Come back to my yard, you know that.
One way me go so and come straight to my yard. And my yard me come, me not supposed to step on different route for nobody can find me.
Yeah.
And I wonder when me there.
But here this is for people, your family, I know what time you reach home, you know. And then see what half of
you take so long to come. I don't feel like this. You tap a road. No, somebody beg me a ride.
And you know we call you and tell us somebody beg you a ride, you go drop them home.
Hey, me I tell you say no.
Nah, me not make nobody throw no gas in my car, you know. You must be fucking mad.
But listen now, me tell me mother what the you know, our friend, you know, he say she always a carry me in my car. He said to me, say, listen what he said to me, and he said, next time I drive with you, I go full your tank. That man never drive back with me.
All right.
Me I'll come out here to see my wait for me, because true, him and my mother are friend, you know.
Yeah.
Me and him are friend, you know. She not got work, you know, but in cause she actually say, if me I got work, when me come out, me come see him turn up at gate, say, him a wait for me, you know. And you know, ask me for ride, and my mother not drive. But you wait for me.
How come that?
And you are going to tell me, say, the next time, you are going to full my tank and me no see you back.
Yeah.
Every time I see her work at somebody's car, I see her big rider going, you know.
All right. You know, remember about to full your tank again,
no.
You know? Fuck
God, you know, freak, yeah. Me never see on the back of my car yet, you know, from me by my car. Me don't know in the back still.
All right.
So people rub out the one on my back seat and me never go in there.
Yeah. You never lie down around there and catch a 5 yet. You know for me what me say. One day me say somebody a come say them a come on the front seat. Me say listen. If you come, you sit down decent on this blood clot front seat, you know, but I can't sit down like you know you settee at your yard.
Listen, me try on this, but you know, me uncomfortable. Me try carry this weird down, cause this can go weird down. See?
Yeah.
Weird, but uncomfortable, you fuck.
Yeah.
Like me can't fix, me can't position.
You have to not carry way down, man. Just put it to how you can, where you know you da lie down on your bed.
If I want man did their work when they ain't glad, I say to him, say, no matter how me set, so me can't position here. Make me come fix it, you know? So me I tell you, say, yeah, and then no. As somebody when me used to like, you know, like good woman, you know. But friend, she gonna use the word that can ask me about one Jamaican man and look her. Then you go say to me, say, if they eat, whatever. Your blood clot, you have 7 picnic. Why you not ask me if Jamaican man mind woman with 7 picnic?
Yes.
Yeah,
and that the matter about
so
eat.
it's like she embarrassed me right away.
Yeah.
You ask me about my culture and hear where you come with.
Eh.
So and that's some spirit does not take her again.
When
So where this a woman ya want down fi say yes, Jamaican man eat because enough of them just want, you know what I mean, take off certain stripe off of Jamaicans, you know, because them know say Jamaican man not really eat like that. Maybe say not really because you know say enough Jamaican man rare. You see me? But you have people when not in that. Jamaicans when not in that. You see me? And that's a no. So by you asking a Jamaican if Jamaican man eat is like a disrespect. You know what I mean? Like yeah, style of Jamaican right there so. You see me? You can't ask the woman if you and the man go to bed or whatever. Or even because you not go wait till them the time there. Then you ask a man. If you and him go on a date, you ask him. You see me I say? No come ask a Jamaican woman. Maybe a conversation she want make still. But ask the man because for some woman that's a deal breaker. Because you have woman who grew up in a certain culture where them like them kind of things there. You see me I say? And no matter how nice a man is, if him not do that, it's like say that's a no. She can't in a relationship with him because she go want that done to her. So enough Jamaican man, them go foreign and end up a start do them thing there because them woman want it and them want the green card. You see what I say? Them want the green card so them end up eat. You see me? But me know what I think in our comment people because right now like how the Jamaican woman them broke out and you know what I mean, do the things a part of them thing you know. If a man a go knock a Jamaican woman you know, him expect to get him rifle rare. So want uno tell me you know as the Jamaican woman them if like the Jamaican man them majority of them if them a do them thing there you know. You see me I say make me know when I comment. So make you watch some more with that and them a talk about.
Your
Yeah,
blood
yeah.
clot, you have 7 pitney. Why you not ask me if Jamaica man mind woman with 7 pitney?
Yes.
Yeah,
And that the matter about
so
eat.
it's like she embarrassed me right away. You
Yeah.
ask me about my culture and here where you come with.
Eh.
So and that's some spirit does not take her again.
When
And then
people
look, I say, look how easily some people can break your mind from them, man.
yeah, all right. Then that me I show you when I can ask her that if he eat for. Then no
That is
him
me
and the
could
man
have
fit
say
talk about that.
she, our culture, and me go disrespect her like that and ask her if your culture man name pussy and what me I go ask her that the question. That's not my business.
Yeah.
And pour you say and tuku about blood Jamaica man and I'm tuku woman pussy. That was a blood clot this.
Their skin have it clean and pretty like a velvet. When you look at them, their leg root have it pretty.
Was the blood clot.
Good, yeah. And if them pussy tongue long like a if them pussy
man.
yeah, if them pussy to pussy clot, the run gone.
Seven push out tight pussy wall. And look which man he want to feed for him. That donkey can Jamaica man beat to man. Tell her, me say them beat. Yeah, really? Yeah, really. Your blood clot.
Eh.
Because tuku sit magic. When Monday when I marathon, cause she go come you champ on me, I marathon like me her mother. She go come you champ on me. So you will see look magic and we want Jamaica man for eat. Boy man. He say one man I was 50 yard. And the man no married. You know, ask me. You think Jamaica ask me if Jamaica man take care of who? So me can explain to you. You understand? Right, that's how you brought my vibe. Me not have nothing to tell you. The only thing me tell her say them beat to man. Me say them beat to man.
Done later.
Yeah. One go fuck her. You never fuck like Mary.
Come here.
You come like Mary.
Sister
Never
Mary.
fuck yet. Come like Mary.
Eh. Sister
Yeah, man. Never fuck yet.
You put it at you talk about the fuck argument. She come
Never
out
fuck yet. I used to man like them there. You say they're young, and they said never fuck yet when you answer you. So you never fuck yet, you have.
Yes, that's true.
Me say me have one all the night when in taking that.
He never fuck yet.
Watch me right now. Tell them I watch me fan. All the night when in taking. He say, Sly, your auntie the I crab when me eat. I crab when me eat. I saw him a ball and I beat the blood clot floor. And I Sly, your auntie the pan the last. Girl never, all of we fuck except him. And about 10 or 11 we as girl.
Yeah.
And my uncle one we never fuck. And he all away and he never fuck you.
Father Jesus, I sample that.
Never ever in our life. Me say when in night when the woman have picked him mother come in and never forgot the night him mother come in and a cook. The girl a beat the floor. And I say, Sly, your auntie dep on the last. I crab when me eat.
Father God.
She said she not pregnant. Me don't know if people can hide, folks. Me don't know if people can hide blood. Hey, still Winston. Yeah, some people secretive with them business, you know. You can't know them business, you know.
You can't know so them
fuck. Some hardcore people, you can't know them business.
You can't know them business at all. You can't. You think I joke, yeah, man. Me so talk to one lady, you know. And the lady say, yo, do. If you never tell a man to me, you fuck. Me not talk back again. And so the woman tell me, you know. And I first me attack you out of my mouth.
Yeah. So Winston. Are you me want to start my show today now, you know? I hear how me want you to start my show now. You know why you feel offended, you know? But you know, say, yeah, one I mean one me make the video a day, yeah, too. Yeah?
Yeah.
And me see a lot of people in the comment I say, are the man them are the problem. And the Jamaican man them are the problem. And me like to talk to people with experience we come up here and go through the same situation. The treatment where they used to get before and the treatment where they get when them come here. To explain to them people here. The type of people them we not deal with in this place here. The type of woman them we in this place here we say them a go Jamaica, go pick up man from Jamaica and care come America.
A true man. Them the rest me. Hey, me a one virgin a call me every day tell me say want to me say boy, I better you relax and cool. Me now look no woman can go send come me none of my friend them down there.
Me I tell.
Dan, me I tell you not. Yesterday me call a woman and tell him say listen.
Wait, before you go there say Winston, tell them how woman used to look after you when they are Jamaica.
Like a king. Me I get 3 barrel every me I get 3 barrel for the year. And all 2 barrel, 4 barrel I come down now the 3 months. Every 3 months me I get them there.
Good evening. Thank you, Cara.
How this? I won't name Tommy Shot.
No. No, him did there. Him did up in our back and come off back.
Oh.
Him that yellow.
How this a yellow mic now? So here you know, your situation now, when me I get every 3 months me I get all 3-4 barrel.
Alright, before him talk me people, enough Jamaicans can confess, you know, about women where them talk to and get married to and go foreign to. You see me? And the experience when them did it, where them got through, forget them green card and them something there. and how the woman treat them. You see me? Sometimes the woman them come to Jamaica come look slave. Them come look yard boy. Them come look a man for dig out them belly, clean up them house and cook for them and turn with them picnic. You see me? Cause more time them come and them see the condition where you're in. Them think you're frightened. Enough of the man them frightened. You see me I say? Ready, go married. Them not get to know a woman, although the woman them show them good side when them come. You see me? But once you reach over there, enough man get kicked out in a cold, man. You see me I say? Enough man, if them willing to talk the story, them can tell the people them where them go through a foreign. You see me? You hear what the man say? He would give a man a Jamaica a woman. Because him know how them turn, him experience it. You see me I say? And him know the runnings. So, me I go make him talk him story, you know. And we hear what him have to say. Because we hear it regular. Now that we have internet, can watch certain things and people have social media. Just the other day, me dey on a live. I think Cheese did up on the live. And Blinger, on Blinger live. And a man come on the live and I say right now, him in a hotel and him a look somewhere for stay. Because him a burn out him money in a hotel. You see me? And right away, Cheese them make a link. You see me? Blinger them make a link. And somebody just say, yo, me live such and such, send him come. You see it? Because him say, man, a woman when him come a foreign to, must he kick off and she kick him out. You see me? So sometimes you even go foreign. Everybody glad for go foreign. But the situation where you go to over there, sometimes you regret going, but you already did it. And people expect greatness from you. So you have to just suck salt through a spoon and just work with what you have to work with until you get on your feet. So make really same story, you know.
Cut you 1 minute.
Yes.
What type of work you work where you da do at Jamaica? How much money so you da make?
I make crazy money, man. For every weekend, 2 or 3 times for the week, me I gotta watch it.
Okay.
I juggle, and me I gotta watch
you
it.
could have maintained yourself full time, like you don't need
Full time.
full time.
Full time.
You never even have to come a foreign.
Me not have to come here for when me I come here.
Yeah.
And my boss tell me say, yo, listen, me I'll give you $5 million if you go do some business. Don't go there. And me I tell him say, yo, me I go up there and go see what I go on and come back.
Come back. Oh, okay.
And I'm a bridging, the man when me I tell her to come from out of Fall0Ut, you know, man.
Mm-hmm.
The man have whole per boat everywhere. The man tell me say if no juggler no in if 5 juggler left in Jamaica, him in night 5.
Okay. To big him is.
Oh, big him is.
Yeah. People when know parables know what you talk about, so we're not going at that. Yeah.
I me don't want to call him my name.
Right. You're not going at that part there. And then when you come now.
When me come now, me can't put on a blood clot shoes.
Teach them, Winston.
Yeah.
Teach them.
Can't put on a shoes. If me a guy can't store my face, somebody a watch me, somebody a do this, he have people a watch. When me and she go down at the store, me have to walk in front, me can't walk inside I my front, me have to there.
All right. Tell them.
You think I like a blood clot box and like me get now me pussy all up here where a girl couldn't do it at Jamaica.
Who no hear, who no said they don't know about Jamaica, man. A man then get ill treat up at this pussy wall here. And you see this white girl will come from my page of contact, but me say Yankee, and she take up it like a she alone, like a she me attack. So much people can dep on my page and tell lies. So much people can I comment and tell lies.
All right, yeah, somebody say a true. You think a blood clot lie?
How much box you get? How much box you get?
For the blood clot every night me get beaten.
Yeah. Hey, Wilson, come off of my blood clot page. Come off of my page. The people that say you come off and go on.
At 9 o'clock come, me can't sleep. 9 o'clock in the night, that's a problem there.
Yeah.
Sometimes at evening time, you have to take time and go down at the ball ground. I go down at the ball ground, you have his son, I watch me if me up on phone down there. And if me I talk to no man down there, like me brethren, them I talk to, me I tell them what go on, and me and them a whole of vibes. Me go to a nearly murder scene, me go to yeah, man. So me make it see.
You go through it already, and you know how it go, and you know the type of person you is, and you have to love that person because the way them used to treat you and deal with you. You have to have a kind of love for that person.
All right.
You understand? Because they used to deal with you good when you're there yard.
Well, so you see when them come a foreign, the blood clot, them say at them rule now. Me say Jesus Christ. Sometimes me say if me ain't let me ball for God. Me say me never know say God lay.
You don't get it, yes, sir. Live and in color, and then woman.
Me say me never know say God there.
Make with Jamaica man. Which we want too much in Jamaica, man, them have to turn to them. And that's how I go.
Hey. Me say sometime, you know. Sometime, Father God, and everything good for talk. Yeah. But me I tell you, it's a blood clot scene.
So that me say you can't talk, you can't, everything it have to be for them.
Yes.
It have to be them, I what them say.
Yeah. Me can't have no friend. For fear friend them you have to have.
Okay.
For fear friend them, anything me do, if me say somebody say hi to me, it's a problem. She see how our friend they work all Atlanta go work and do look after all people. Yeah. And then she come there and have all the people them phone number. When like him come there right here and drop in at the house, like say me I go to the road or get 2 man phone number.
Yeah. I say I feel and you drop out or your pocket you drop out.
Yeah. Me blood clot box again. And me pussy walk.
People. Hey. Would they hear for yourself?
Them brown and dark and nice and look, I fingernail and crap me up there. Me have to lose the rubbing, you know, to take out some of them. Yeah.
I true some people don't know where some Mr. Talk all while I say some people don't know where Jamaica man come up here can go through. That time we did at Jamaica say man then wicked from the man then come a foreign they don't remember nobody and we don't know say man then come like a prison then there. And then we live better at Jamaica and come up here. And a bandage with the woman them. I two people don't know, you know. That's why when me do the first video, you know, Raga Shanti post back in video and I say I want to protect this woman at all costs. Because I first me ever hear somebody talk about this blood clot, yeah.
All right.
First.
Right now that.
Somebody talk about that.
My friend them run out watching. My friend them they are watching our byland around there and a build up house. Me would have my house around there to byland too.
Long time. And you make more money than them.
And me I make more money than them. But at the cruise ship, me can't go sell it no down.
Yeah.
As the man them say, yo, me want 100. Me say, they want, boss, for the year they say they want 25, at 25, you know, me say, me have to go get it for 10 or 15, you know. But me know me I make back 10 or 15,000 dollars per one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you are selling 100.
You see how people got foreign go live worse life than how them did live at Jamaica, my people. You say if you're there Jamaica and you have a good job and you get a nice income, don't rush to go foreign. Because enough people, you know what I mean, we have them job, them rush to go foreign because them want to go live foreign life and go buck up in the worst life them ever live. If you have a job, turn your yard, yeah, man. You show me I say you meet a foreign woman, if you love her and feel like say yo, you know what I mean, you want to live with her, well, do your thing. You understand? But not for them woman, them jealous. I see him so a youth on the internet, yeah, man. Him talk about female and woman relationship and oh the woman used to lock on upon him. Him a do 2 work and the woman I say, I hear me. You not spend enough time with me. So I have to left one of the job. You see me? So them woman there, You can't please them most of the time. Them want control you. You understand? You will find good woman still, you know, cause enough man find good woman, you know what I mean, where give them freedom and you understand, no wall no green card over them head and them something there. But majority of the woman them where come to Jamaica come look man. Run left them here man. That me I tell you no cause I devil them. Why no man no want them a foreign? Why? That you have to ask yourself. You see me? So I could listen some more still and hear what them a say.
Yeah, make off of it.
Alright. But each if I know 15,000 profit, me I make off of £1 pound, you know.
Yeah.
A $15,000 me I making off of no 10, you know.
Yeah. So yeah, you don't have to come here, so you don't have no reason to come here.
You don't have no reason to come here, so.
So how long it take you to get your green card?
When me come up, me should have collect my green card down at Jersey. But when me come up, then call the man, then call the immigration, call me and no custom, them call me down and ask me if me never pay for my green card. And when me get my green, then give me the 2 year.
Yeah.
And me get the 2 year. Same time, me and she, we drive to Canada. As me get it the other week, me drive to Canada. Me don't know nothing about driving in America. She put me on the steering and said, Canada, you go. Me say, blood cloud, we go to Canada again. And there's another fight over Canada.
Yeah. And you just come up?
Over my sister yard, me for my phone, me I want sit in the phone like my sister, you know. And my sister phone ring and he say, for my phone. Girl, I call me on my phone. And the whole of we just go out, you know, that's my sister friend, you know. And then I call him, say, if they want, we go one party, must you want. I don't know if I stole up down one place I play. Father Jesus say, Shara, like you know, say, Dan, ask what she name your sister-in-law say if we want to go one party down at one place. Father God, everything mash up in our house.
Hey, I tell you, say, you then can pretend before you come here, you couldn't believe that they could have changed so fast. You know, see, all the boy they on TikTok, you know, see, girl just married him and them live so good all along as the man comes out to blood clot. The man not even get no papers or nothing yet. The man say nasty. He might go back to blood clot.
All right.
Everybody that think them is a good, nice couple.
All right. Now, can you see the pussy will them come to Jamaica nice and
princess.
And like a princess? For you come up here, so you know the way if you do, then left you, then carry man pan, you come fuck pan your man and your make practice in front of you, you know, you never come here.
Listen, me put in my video and the people they not understand. Some people I say, what this, that, the people they not understand. And you know when me eat, the people them will never happen to a them a comment.
Yes.
Make the people them where it happen to comment. Won't not take up the blood clot comment space for. You think every video no soon if you comment pan? Left the people them where them go through it. Make them go through it and them put where them a put. You not talk about other people and you never go through the situation. True enough.
Yeah. You think them pussy will
like... You think a man that got Jamaica go tell all him family them say, a woman will send for my friend and he come here be a lick and them. Him that shame, him that never talk it. He take a brave man to talk them there sitting there. A woman with more good on and say, me come back that the man they abusive, then just make it look that way there. So when he say abusive, you know say a lick. Kind of if he say it out. You understand?
Yeah.
When you think a man, you go say, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Not my Jamaica, so you go say, what you talking about? So why man? Come on, I told some people don't know about this a place and the type of woman.
Lick them now say if you no blood clot, my friend, all Atlanta, my friend, then call me and said, don't lift up your hand. Drop when he lick you. Drop.
When
drop.
You feel drop?
Yes. Drop.
Drop our farm then?
Yeah. Like you're a fraud.
I have a life all out of 2 minutes. What I laugh for 5. I laugh, me laugh.
Me think so big yeah. Me no care no man.
Mean you're good. I say for the good friend there. Your friend that mean you're good. So you feel drop. Blood clot. Murder.
So, alright, so me I go in it with people. And I know lie that brother you tell still, you know. You can't lift up your hand. You're mad. America. A woman place that. You see me? And them have all the rights. And them do all them want do. But make you do and you see what happened to you. You can go station about them, yes. But chances are it not go reach nowhere because you as a man nah go on go say your woman array. You know what I mean? You not go on do it. But them do all different type of things. You hear man say them we all carrying woman pan you. You see me? And me I tell you no earlier on say no for the man them have to end up near the meat. Because them want things go good because of that the woman want. You see me? Enough man have to just do it and done. Someone cut left them. You see me? So and I better rules my people. No sir. So alright, yes, so me I in it so. You know what I mean? Let me know what I think.